Hi, I'm Steve Barnes, the Director in charge of Property Insurance at Total Landlord Insurance, and today we're looking at how to prevent issues with your boilers breaking down over the winter period. Make sure you have a gas safety registered engineer carry out a safety check annually and provide your tenants with a copy of the check within 28 days of the inspection. We suggest having your boiler in your property serviced at the same time, as this will also check that the individual parts are working correctly. We recommend having the boiler serviced and gas safety check scheduled for the autumn to give you and your tenants peace of mind that the boiler will be working throughout the winter months. Central heating systems are often not used over the summer months, and this can cause air to build up in the radiators. So, in the autumn, as the colder weather approaches, advise your tenants to gradually start turning on the heating, probably for around about 20 minutes every day or every other day. Communication with your tenants is key to avoiding issues arising with the boiler in your property and to help make sure your tenants stay warm throughout the winter months. Our top 3 tips for you to pass on to your tenants are: keep the space around the radiators clear so that warm air can circulate properly, and ask them to avoid drying clothes on radiators. Check the pressure gauge on the boiler every couple of weeks to make sure it's still in the normal range. If this isn't the case, then ask your tenants to contact you so you can get a gas safety engineer to look at it before an issue arises. When the boiler is on, check each radiator to make sure it's heating from top to bottom. If it's cool at the top, it means that it will need bleeding, and ask your tenants to contact you so this can be arranged. For more guidance on preparing your boiler for winter, please visit totallandlordinsurance.co.uk, and remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Simply search for Total Landlord Insurance.